it's really special being around those guys. You watch them on TV throughout the year and stuff when you were younger, and now you're in the same locker room with like Bruce Boudreau and all those coaches. So it's really special, and I'm trying to get everything in my head is knowledge and just try to get better throughout the week, and I think I did. They're really good players. They're bigger. They know how to play. They have experience and stuff. So just being on the ice with those guys makes you better, and I think every time I step on, I just want to get better with their help. Playing against good players, playing with good players, always makes you better. I just think getting the puck to the net, making those simple plays, helping my line mates is what I do best, and try to see the ice well. That helped me a lot throughout the year, and it helped me a lot this week, and I want to keep going throughout the years like this. Yeah, someone like Daniel Briere, something like that, a smaller player, but he's not scared to go in the corners, make some plays, and get to the net, and try to score goals at big times. It's fun. It's a college town. It's not too big, not too small, so I have some good friends there that I'll keep, and it was a good year. I love playing there. The fans are great. The rink is literally like a barn, so it's really loud, and the fans are really simple, and it's awesome. It was a great year.
Did you go to any Nebraska football games while you were
Yeah, I went to 3, I think, and one of them I was in a student section, so it was pretty crazy. We were bringing up the big N, like we were the first row in the student section, so we were hanging out with the mascot too, so it was pretty fun. So some good stories there.